Hatuireho kwerarikiriro mbebembezi babonagana ngo empungi niziza kubaretera obuzibu haba hatiine kikozirwe kuzigarura wabo izoba ryanyuma abazyo abebembezi b'Abahekyera ba M23 barangirire kwa abantu bashemerire kugaruka wabo bakaza mu mirimo yabo. Wire Ngoma uri omugambirizi wa M23 mu butumwa bwe ubwasindikira mu Irake ry'omushaki witwa Hurire nayereka ngo tibine buzobubona n'abantu kandi behireyo kubarinda bakagaruka wabo.
Oya, hapa Bunagana hakuna kitu, hakuna hata nyumba moja ilibomoka, hakuna. Sasa kama naendelea mbele sehemu ya Chanzu, Runyoni, mabomu ya FRDC ndio ilikuwa kuja kila wakati inaribu nyumba ya watu. Ile mabomu ya FRDC, ndege ya MONUSCO inaribu nyumba ile. Lakini hiyo sio shida sana, sisi tutaona gisa kusaidia raia yetu. Bote ya Runyoni, Chanzu, Bugusa, fasi yote kabisa biko narudia leo hakuna shida.
RDC wa Kisoro Shafik Sekandi ayaciro kusharamu kwa Abahekyera bayereka ngo haza kubaho kuhumuro muri Bunagana abantu abantu bagaruko wabo.
Because Bunagana is not a gazetted area, Bunagana has no food for those people. Bunagana has also businesses of local people. It has schools which are not running, and also the medical conditions. We are very poor. People sleep on the verandas. They are bitten by mosquitoes. They are defecating everywhere. So now that they are allowed to go back to their homes, we welcome that news.
Ebyo bikiri aho abebembezo muri Kisoro berarikirire ahanyuma y'uburwire bwa COVID-19 kugumana ubweyongera mu mpungezi eziri mu kampu ya Nyakabande.
Kati tugeza ko teka nga tukozesa n'ebitongole ebituyamba okuteka wate ekitundu ekirala mwe tuyinza okuteeka abantu abo okubajja mu bannaabwe baberenga bafuna obujjanjabi paka we bawona. Ekyo mukisa omulungi tetunaba kufiirwayo muntu afudde COVID-19 naye olw'okuba abantu bano basola wamu mu busiisira obutono mu tenti balira wamu emmere basibamu abaana bazanyira wamu chances z'obulwadde buno okweyongera ziri waggulu nnyo.
Philip San Crepe orikwebembera emirimo yo mu kitongole kya United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees yagamba nitwe
more water tank in terms of shelter accommodation because the situation in DRC, as you know, it is not stable. It's very fragile, and you need more also core relief items, CRI. I'm talking about blanket, plastic sheeting, and jerrycan.
Abanyamakuru bitu bahika wahansharo yabonagana kandi abantu abarengerigana nabo barebwa bari mu nyererizo kwehandikisa ubwo bari kugaruka wabo. Gashakwa Job namanya na Keta tuzarirwe.